In this video, I will be talking about non-conformity, that is, in short, we know it as NC. What we really understand by the word non-conformity? The term non-conformity is used whenever a deviation from the safety management system SMS under ISM code or any regulatory requirements is found during an inspection, audit or operation. It appears in internal audit, it is done by the company itself. Then external audits done by the flag state or class or recognized organization, that is in short RO. Port state control inspections. During normal shipboard operations, when the master or crew notice something not as per SMS. This is part of the ISM requirement nowadays. Like the way we raise near miss from ship side, similarly we can raise non-conformity as well if we found something like that. Now we will see an example to understand. During an external audit, if the auditor finds that drills are not being recorded as per SMS, he issues a non-conformity. If it is not corrected or is serious, the ship's SMC or the company's document of compliance may be suspended or withdrawn. Now we will see an example so that we understand it more easily. For example, during an external audit, if the auditor finds that drills are not being recorded as per SMS, it can be considered as a non-conformity. Now we will be talking about how to rectify or correct this kind of non-conformities. What are the consequences? What are the sequential procedures to get rid of this kind of non-conformity? So we considered this is the findings from auditor. Auditor identifies non-conformity. So next step is correction. We have to correct the non-conformity. We have to get back to the original procedure. As part of the correction, we have to record the drills as per SMS. Once the inspector is satisfied, or if it is raised from the ship side, then the DPA will guide us, and the documentary job is also completed as per the company procedures. Then it is considered that the non-conformity is gone for that particular case. The example what we have taken is we can say that it's a minor non-conformity. If there is a very high level of non-conformity, then the consequences is different. So we will go through it. How about the levels of non-conformity? So again, it is said that a non-conformity means when something on board is not done according to the company's safety management system or does not meet ISM code requirement. It shows a failure to follow procedures or fulfill safety or environmental standards. There are two levels. Number one, minor NC, a small deviation that does not pose an immediate threat but needs correction. Number two, major NC, a serious failure that can endanger the ship, crew or environment, or shows that the ISM code is not properly implemented. From the reading, we already understand that the levels are two types. One is minor NC and another one is major NC. It is considered as minor non-conformity when small deviation that needs only the correction but not an immediate threat. For the consideration of major non-conformity, that must be a serious failure which endangering ship, crew or environment. As you know, the sole purpose of ISM is to ensure crew safety and environmental safety. In together we can say safe operation. So it depends upon the severity of the deviation, whether it will be fall under the minor non-conformity or major non-conformity. There is a relationship between non-conformity findings and document of compliance or safety management certificate. If a vessel has major non-conformities or repeated minor ones not corrected, it means the company's safety system is not working effectively. This can lead to suspension or even withdrawn of document of compliance from the company and safety management certificate from the ship's end. Safety management certificate is issued to the ship, as we know, and document of compliance is issued to the company. If the external auditor considered that is the total failure from the company side, then they may go against the document of compliance. And if the document of compliance is invalid, that means the ship's SMC is also invalid, as the validity of the SMC depends upon the document of compliance. So either way, it can affect on SMC also. Directly they can withdraw the SMC if they found major non-conformity from the ship's end. That's all about this video, and I hope this video helps a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to meet you in next video.